Woohoo! Hey, what is up, you guys? It is your man here. What's up, Javid gang? It is your man here, Javedman. And in today's video, I'm showing you guys how to make the best and the most accurate Chewbacca that I could. Now, this is going to be involving this game, Star Wars Timelines. So, yeah, if you play the game, heck yeah. But I'm going to basically show you guys how to make the most accurate Chewbacca. Now, I'll show you how to make the most accurate free Chewbacca. And if you have some Robux on you, you can get the Cole's admin. I had that. The things for the non-so-cheap one is going to be you have to be in the Robux group. You have to have the Canon Game Pass. And you would also have to have Cole's admin. That is practically it. So, yeah, this is my guy. I just made him tall for the effects, but I'll show you how to make the cheap version of Chewbacca. So the first things first is you're going to go all the way over here to Chewbacca. Set this Chewbacca and go on. Now, I also needed to mention, if I go here, I am in the first order timeline. You can do this in Timelines XL or the first order timelines. For some reason, Chewbacca is not in the Clone Wars or the Galactic Empire. Kind of wonky, but that's how it works. Now, you're going to go here. Most people don't do this, but go here. And you see these two hands? Go on the hands, not the arms, but the hands. Now you have just added Chewbacca's hands. Most people don't know you can do that, but you can actually add Chewbacca's hands and or other Wookiee hands. It's good for Wampas and stuff, it's fun. Then you're going to go here. As I said, you're going to need the Game Pass and all that. Well, actually, no. I said I'll do the cheap version first, so I'll just say by the cheap version, I mean the whole game. You ain't got no, what's it called? You ain't got no group, you ain't buy anything. That's my cheap version. Now, I'm gonna go here. Put it. Chewy. I do not know if I spelled that right. I probably butchered that, but that's the best I got. This here is your free Chewbacca, practically. Of course, I forgot to grab the shooting, but yeah. This is the best free Chewbacca you can make without being in the group. Right? Okay, then. Yes. Now, welcome back. Now, this one is not free. This one's the non-free one. This is going to be including the group, the Canon Game Pass, and Cole's admin. And if you actually want to buy the items that I'm going to be showing you that you can use with Cole's admin, by the way, I did not buy them, but I will be putting links down in the description below with everything you'll need for this how to make. My first how to make, by the way. I didn't record the how to make Cole as Ice did. I believe I uploaded it to this channel. I don't know, but this will be the Chewbacca video that I'll be uploading. This will be my first Timelines video that I'll be uploading. And it's definitely not going to be the last. So the first thing is you're going to go here, pull up one of the links. You're going to need the front tier satchel. And then you're going to need the leather bandoiler. But before you do that, right, I'm going to show you how to make the rest of them. Hold on, guys, is anyone Kenobi? I don't know. Now, the way you make the Chewbacca first is, here's the free version, alright? Your first step is to actually, get Chewbacca. You know what I did there with the hands? Well, you're going to do that again. Did I just give myself a beer? Good. You're going to do that again. There you go. Now you got Chewbacca's hands. Now with this step, you're actually going to... Also, by the way, there is no crossbow or Yeah, there's no crossbow in the game for him, so yeah. You're gonna go here. Wow, this is already set to me. Usually the blasters like that, the one you're gonna be making is gonna look like this. The reason so is because it's not black, it's gunmetal. Well, yeah, it's gunmetal, so it's like a dark shade gray. So yeah, that was just the group, and you've already done this part. Now go over here to the Canning Game Pass, where they'll have the Chewbacca name here. Chewbacca. And yeah. Now you got this. So next thing is, you're going to go here. I'm going to go add this first. You're going to add that part. You're going to copy this name here, or the numbers, I should say. Then you're going to go here. You're going to click the button on your keyboard that looks like a line. And then if you put shift, it looks like a line cornered. It's under your backspace and on top of your enter. I think it's going to be there. I don't know. All PCs here and there are different. You're going to put hat, space, me, space, copy and paste. Now that will add that to it. You're going to go back here. Then you're going to go to the leather bandoiler. You're going to do the exact same thing. Hat, me, this. And now you have his, like, front part for the rifle bullets and all that. And then the backpack. Or that. Now you could call it quits from here. But what I like to do is this, for just like the effect of having this. I like to go this, where you click the button again. You're going to do CRM space me space 361. You see that? That just changed the bandoiler, and the satchel is color to the exact same color. What if I just told you, what if I tell you guys that you've just made Chewbacca? You guys might not believe me, but it's true. You've actually just made Chewbacca. So, bowcaster, that's the name of the weapon, the bowcaster. I just had to remember it just a little bit. I go here, and there you go. You've just made Chewbacca. You got the bowcaster, the hands, the bandoiler, the satchel, the name. You have everything that Chewbacca has and needs. So yeah. Now the idea of the bandoiler here and the satchel was not my idea. The gun, the hands, and the name was my idea. But the satchel and the bandoiler was from a friend of mine and/or my brother, Cold as Ice Sub-Zero. Big shout out to him. And he's been doing these timeline videos as well. Now, I also have another shout out to one of my friends. His name is Kit Mantala. I think that's how you pronounce it. Kit Mantala, if you are looking at this video, hello. Nice shout out to you, man. He's just been eager to have a shout out. He's a fan of mine, and so yeah. I want to give you a shout out, man. There you go. And if you guys want to check his Roblox out, I'll be putting a link in my description below. Check it down right there. You see that? There you go. And yeah, that's basically the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment down who else would you like to see me make, and other stuff like that, and just tell me how good I did and if I can improve on this here Chewbacca. And if you guys want to share some love, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. When you do subscribe, here's the thing. There's a bell icon right next to it. If you click that, you can click this personalize or all, pick all, and guess what? You'll be notified when I make a video. So YouTube will actually personally tell you that I made a video. Isn't that crazy? You should do it. Why? So you can be the first person to see my videos, because it happens just like that. and you guys can actually be in my videos too. Don't be afraid to ask. If you want to be in a video, just go to my username. It will be in the link. Bottom below. That's my Roblox username. Just follow me on Roblox, and you can actually message me, I do believe, on Roblox. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Can't wait to see what you guys say. Peace out.
I